Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, this is your girl Unruly Shana. So I'm here again with another video with the part 2 clean up video yeah, the part 2 clean up video. So first of all, we have Roxy here. So Roxy, I whip down the whole place with a whipper. You know, make it easier for me to clean it. Yeah, so I'm there here, I do some whipper work right now. So you can take in some of the whipper work, guys. Yeah, I know, so when I'm done, my time to clean and sweep up and, take up all of the rubbish and all them something here. Because if you look, place well one week, man. Nah, like, the guy's vehicle are come and thing at the same time, so I'm going to go cross the road here, so, to make you guys get a better shot out at him. Ouch. Yes, guys, Roxy hard at work. Yeah, man. Hard at work. You can work good tasty, guys. A good worker, I know. I'm not lie, you're a good worker. Yeah, man. And them man do them thing neat too. Neat and fine, you know? Yeah. You pay them man to do your work, man. You don't regret it, man. Your money well spent. You see me? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So all them bicycle there. So yes, guys. Right, that's a Roxy reach. Let me show you which part him I whip from. Ow. So yes, guys, I don't know so Roxy start with from. So I'm from right here, so and we on top of the wall too, in front there, so go straight back up best up I shop. So you see how far in we go, guys. So yes, guys, him whip all the way from down at the light post and him reach all the way up I shop now. So yes, guys. Look nice too. I like how it look clean and nice. But I go too near him still, guys, because I tell you, the stone them a fly, and when the stone lick you, it hot. So I not go too near it, because I can't take them hotness there. Too hot, man. You way that make me circle him, because me now what, that's a go up, that's a side of him. So me can't take one stone lick, brother. No. So yes guys, anytime him finish on this side, I'm also gonna let him do over on this side. As I can see, you see it? Them bush there over there, so I always grow up and block out all of the sea view. Block out all of the sea view. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make him clean up over there so also, and then when he finish cleaning up, I'm gonna sweep you up also. So make you always have that nice beautiful view there to look on. You see it? Yes. You see if all of the bush them move from over there, so you see how that look nice. You see the view? Yo, this view, man. A view here. Only Unruly Shana load of the view here. Sharp. Hear that? Yes.